How to talk about the weather in Gaelic. The Gaelic for the weather is either an-diugh or an aimsir, an-diugh or an aimsir. Both are feminine nouns, so we use the pronoun I when referring to it. Ha-I. Ciamar ha an-diugh an-diugh. Ciamar ha an aimsir an-diugh. Ha-I fliuch. Ha-I che. Ha-I blah. Ha-I chirim. Ha-I fliuch. Ha-I scach. Ha-I ghaoth. Ha-I garav. Ha-I ciún. Ha-I ceoch. Ha-I grianach. Ha-I mi-chaler. There are many Gaelic adjectives you can use to describe the weather. We can also use ha-I with verbs. Ha-I idhlig. Ha-I adjective. Ha-I adjective. Ha-I. Some weathers use a noun. For this, use this structure. Ha-own. You'll notice that many of these nouns can be used to create adjectives. Ha-an-diugh Ha-sneach Ha-ceoth Ha-t-uisge Ha-idhealtachd Ha-clachan Ha-tarnanich agus jawanich Ha-féann Ha-t-uisge. You can also use this structure to help you practice past and future tenses. Ciamar bha an-diugh an-diugh. Bhai grianach ach bhai fliuch. Bhai garav agus bha an-diugh ann. Ciamar bhíos an aimsir marach. Bí fliuch agus fliuch. Bí idhlig ann sa bhatainn, ach bí t-uisge ann fescar. Keep a weather diary through the week in Gaelic. Use nouns, verbs and adjectives if you can. Try and use different tenses as well. Talk about what the weather is like today, what it was like yesterday, and what it will be like tomorrow. Both an-diugh, usually spelt as t-uisge with a T, and aimsir can be used for time or different concepts of time in Gaelic. If you've been studying Gaelic for a while, you will know that there are slightly different concepts of time in Gaelic and different words for them. But there is a relationship between the weather and the time in Gaelic, a bit like there is in Romance languages.